sometimes? Yeah, well, this is similar to it. Like if you want just to take a certain part of it, and it will take just saving just that part. So if you had a full picture and you want just particular person out of that picture, you want to get rid of everybody that you dislike around you, you just want yourself. So you can do that.
Especially if you don't want your boyfriend, that's it, you can touch his face.
And that as well, okay, and you move it and you save it. This part is normally you're all familiar with this, that's for saving. And that's to bring any files. Now, coming back to here, the one with the plus, it brings me back a new page. So every time I want a new page, I will press the plus on the little page. This one, it brings all the pages that I have in a notebook lesson that I prepared, and it numbers it, okay? So every page I add, it's somewhere here. If I wanted to move a page, like the order of the pages, all I need to do, take the page and move it. You see that blue line? It moves it to wherever I want. Now it's in that part. If I want this before it, that went back up. So this is very useful to see all the pages in one go, and you can sort your pages. And this one for adding. The arrow here is for flipping between a page and another. So, arrow to flip for the next page. This arrow to flip back to the other pages. Fine? I'm coming back to this actually. This arrow here is to bring the actual floating tools, which can be shown on the interactive whiteboard all the time. So every time that this is not on, this thing here is always on. So if you needed to use the tools while the notebook is not on, you can use it at any time. You don't have to bring the notebook software on the screen. And if I wanted to move it, I press on these dots and I can move it from one side to the other. Okay? If I don't want to move it to this side, press back on the arrow, takes it back. Okay? You want to try it? Anybody? Sometimes it's hard to move it. So the little dots moves it from one side to side. The arrows takes it back. Okay? So this actually covers up all the tools that you have. There's quite a few other things that I would like to use, which is this. I don't know if you've seen it before. This is quite useful in languages, that you can record your